Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use loops in Swift 4. So basically we are using three loops: for loop, while loop and repeated while loop. So I will show you the loop conditions and flowchart with the presentations. So I think you understand easily. Okay. So basically Swift using three loops: for in loop, while loop and repeated while loop. So I will show you how to use for in loop. Next. So here we can see the loop syntax, for in loop syntax. This is the syntax. So the for is the red color. It's a key, and my variable. It's a variable name is my variable. In it's a key and list of values. List of values. This is the which I want to iterate the values. Okay. Executes the code. If values are available in list of values, then it's execute the curly brackets, middle of the curly brackets portions, executes the code. Otherwise it escape from here. Okay. Next I will show the flowchart. So we can see here the first things, the list of values. This will go inside the list of values. Okay. And next it will go for next elements. Next elements is this, and then check if elements is available or not. Check here. If exist, then it executes. Otherwise if it does not exist, it escape from here and it comes out from the loop. So this is the flowchart of for in loop. So I am using the iterates loops uh, for in to start. For this is the keyword for, and this is my variable. Just put my var I my variable. It's a variable name. In this is the keyword, and which I want to range the value and execute. So this is 1 to 5. So it will count from 1 to 5. Okay. So curly brackets here and print my variable. Run. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I change the values, the range is 3 to 5. Run. 3, 4, 5. If I change 5 to 10, definitely it will show 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So iterates loops is working. I think you understand for in loop, how to work for in loop, and next day I will discuss about two loops, while loops and repeated while loops. Okay, thank you.